Hey everyone, I'm Jacob from Make Science Fun. Thanks for joining me today. Christmas is almost upon us. Might get rid of this now. And I have reinvented the Christmas bonbon, the Christmas cracker. Everybody loves Christmas crackers. You know, they're full of toys and funny dad jokes and hats and that sort of stuff. But my Christmas cracker is a big surprise. But basically, I don't want to give it away. I'm not going to give it away yet. I'm going to show you the reinvented Christmas cracker, and you can see at the end what the big surprise is. So, going to need a gas burner, big nail, a couple of toys to go into the Christmas cracker, 2 plastic cups. Now I've got a green and a red one so that it's like, you know, looks like Christmas. Yeah, looks like Christmas. Did I say party poppers? 2 party poppers. And you need a little bit of extra string on them, some masking tape, sticky tape, whatever, and 3 elastic bands, and of course some wrapping. So let's get started. We start with the 2 cups and we put them end to end. That's really important. And then you can use any old tape at all. Doesn't matter what type of tape you use. I've got a little bit of electrical tape here, but you could use duct tape, you could use masking tape, sticky tape, whatever tape you've got on hand, it doesn't matter. Just go around a few times so it's nice and tight. These only take a few minutes to make, and you could actually make these for your whole family. The kids are absolutely gonna love them. I can guarantee that. Snip that off there. All right. And then I'm going to turn the gas on. So I've got a fire, and I've got a big nail which is about the same size as the end of the party popper. All right, so first I have to heat this up in the fire. Now you can use a your gas stove at home, yeah, or candle. Maybe you could use a candle, be a bit slower, but I think a candle will probably do it. It's almost glowing red, I think. And so, oh, look at the smoke coming off. And I poke a hole in there like so. So poke a hole in there like that. And then poke a hole like that. That's great. I can turn off the fire now. Put that away. Anyway, so have a look at these holes. Hello. They hold the party popper. So the string goes in, one goes in there like that. I'll just pop it through. Don't pull too tight, otherwise you'll have a bit of a to start off with. And then the other party popper goes on the other side, so that you've got, let's get the, come on, here we go. So this way, you've got a party popper facing each way. See that? Right, haha. Put your toy in. This one's an eyeball. Ooh, scary eyeball. You can put your joke in. Okay, absolutely boring joke. How does Jack Frost get to work? On a bicycle. Okay, you're terrible. Pop him in. Funny joke, not. And dinosaur. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Pop him in there like that. And then you need the 3 elastic bands. Now, you have to like loop them together. There's one, bloop, and then here's the other one. Bloop, 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 and just pull him through. These are so good. So now I've got 3 elastic bands. Now you need that inside here because of the top secret. Top secret. Pop that in there like that. And then you just need some wrapping paper. Just some really cheap stuff that's going to tear. Nice and long. Something like that. You want it protruding out the ends. Might even go a little bit further. Like this. Lovely. Cut straighter than me. Pop that away. And just have your strings coming out like this. Roll up your cracker. Roll up your bonbon. Yep, roll him up. Oh, look, I'm an expert. This is my pro. Little tiny bit of sticky tape. If you can find the end, of course. Hopefully you don't have one of those prank rolls that doesn't have an end. You'll be there for hours. You've been doing that. Bit there. Twist the string as part of the end of that party popper. See that? The other side. Oh, this is looking just like I bought one. Wrap it around. Wrap it around. Fantastic. And there it is. Just like I bought one, but a lot better. Okay, now imagine all these around the Christmas table, and well, you need a friend to help you launch it. So just a minute, I'll go get a friend. Wait up. All right, in comes my helper. Hello, my little elfie. All right, are we going to pop it together?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hey!
Oh, there's a dinosaur.
Out come the toys. Okay. Woohoo! And so, if we pull out the party poppers, here's the big surprise. You ready for the big surprise? The bonbon itself, the Christmas cracker itself, is actually a toy. So the whole thing's is like full of toys. It's got the dinosaurs, it's got the party poppers, it's got the blah blah blah. So the bonbon is actually a toy cup flyer. And so look, we get the elastic band and we wrap it around like this. And you ready? Here we go. Here we go. And actually, whoa, look at that! So good. We'll go outside. We'll use a few of them. I'll show you how good they are. The party, the bonbon, the party, the Christmas cracker, reinvented. Make your own. The kids will absolutely love them, won't they, Mickey? High five. Fire! High five. Thanks for your help. Bye, baby. Whoa! Are you alright?
Yep.
That's my daughter, Michaela. Okay. So, how good is that? Hey? Alright. Thanks so much for joining me today. And Merry Christmas to you. Happy bonbon building. And I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.